TaaTaki, or Taa Falls, is located on the northwest coast of Okinawa's main island. To access the waterfall, you'll need a car and a good set of water shoes. The parking lot has restrooms and costs around 500 yen depending on how long you stay. The hike is 2.4 kilometers long along the Henan River, and with no designated paths, you'll need to hike through the water and over some small obstacles, although nothing too hard. As the popularity of the waterfall is increasing, so is the impact left by humans. So do your best to leave it as beautiful as you found it, and take your trash home with you. Extra points for people willing to grab trash left by others. TaaTaki is a beauty to behold. The falls are pretty much a straight drop, approximately 50 meters into the lagoon below. There's plenty of room for swimming and playing on the rope swing, although do so at your own risk. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications of future videos.